So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. We have not yet met. My name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make around $500 mowing lawns. Now before we get started, before we jump into this video, I just wanna show you the equipment that I'm using as well as walk you through the plans for today. So let's show you guys what my setup is and how I'm gonna be building, making money, mowing grass. So right here is my mowing trailer. What we got is just a simple Honda push mower, a new addition, the Skag 32 stand-on, and some Echo trimmers, and lastly a backpack blower. So let's get started. I want to show you guys how you can make money mowing lawns. I'm going to walk you guys through the process of getting started. Right now it's 9 o'clock on the dot and it's time to start making money. I'm going to be walking through all the lawns, all the properties that we do, but the only problem is it's only me. But this is probably one of the best side hustles for you to make money. Now for me, I started this business as a senior in high school. Now I've grew this business, and on Fridays I love to do solo mowing, make some extra money, continue to hustle. I want to share with you guys exactly what you need to get started. So right here, the first lawn of the day is going to be right over here, and then right next to it, this property here is going to be in the backyard. This backyard is going to cost them $35, as well as this property is going to cost the homeowner $35. So we're getting started at 9 o'clock. I'm going to try to be speedy, give you guys some real mowing footage, but also leave some comments, leave some descriptions below. This is how you make money mowing lawns. Stick with me here. Let's go get it. So the first property has been edged and trimmed. Now it's time to grab the mower. So guys, right there, the two lawns, it is now 9:49. In a matter of 49 minutes, we made 35 here, 35 here, 70 bucks mowing lawns in about 45 minutes. Absolutely great day so far. And what I want to say is that I typically used to push mow all this stuff on my own. I save money over times, and now I use that 32 stand-on just to make my life more efficient, get more lawns done. But all these properties I'm going to show you guys today, I used to mow by hand. I'm also going to be mowing some by push mower, which I'll show with you guys in a second. We're going to go ahead and knock out the third lawn today. We're gonna keep rolling. It's still early, so there's a great time to keep making money. So guys, right now we're at lawn number 3 for the day. It is 10:17. A little drive over here. This guy wants his lawn push mowed especially. I'm gonna try to use the Skag in the front, but we do them every week. There's a small gate in the back, which I'll show you guys, but I wanna show you what a $50 lawn in my area looks like. And let's see how long it takes us. So 10:17, let's keep going. More mowing footage, let's get it. So here is the backyard of this $50 property. As you can see, this small gate, we can't get in there, so it all has to be push mode. But property number 3. So guys, sorry to cut you off a little short there. The homeowner came out. I had the camera in my hand. I was like, what do I do? So I kind of flustered and turned it off. But as you can see here, 20, 10, and another 20. 50 bucks for that long. We are done by 10:46. 30 minutes, made 50 bucks. I love cutting grass. Friday, knock it out. The push mower is kind of crappy back there because it is a bigger backyard, but hey, we got it done in like 35, 40 minutes. Time to go on to number 4. We are crushing, we are rolling. I hope this camera doesn't die on the number 4. Let's go get it. It's gonna be another $50 lawn. Let's see how long it takes to crush it, knock it out. Also, it is an absolutely beautiful day. Check out the water. beautiful day out here. We're out here in the Tacoma. This is the truck that I use. It was a long day of landscaping this week, and now we're just saving the best for last, hitting the lawn mowing, making money, mowing lawns, guys. I can tell you this is a great way to make money, and how I did, continue to do. So I'll meet you guys over at property number 4. Let's get it. So here is property number 4. This is a friend of mine's house, and this one is gonna be for $50 as well. Just the front and side yards. What up, Aiden? And as you can see, not too much. The mower's gonna just crush this here, but we'll get some mowing footage and knock this one out. So here we are, guys, finishing up property number 4. I'll share with you guys something once we get in the car. It took a little longer, had to pick up some sticks, as well as did some leaf cleanup as well. Big property, hill, so it takes some time. But let me show you guys how much this property paid me. Alright guys, so it's 12 o'clock. We just finished up that property, which I showed you. It took me a little over 45 minutes, almost an hour. The customer wanted a leaf cleanup, as well as the customer wanted some sticks picked up. But guess what? In under an hour, she paid me $120, 6 $20 bills right here. So right now, from 9 to 12 o'clock, we made $240 so far. And yes, some of this stuff is cash. For me, I always text my customers the day before, kind of let them know that I'm coming over, so they'll have money for me. A lot of them invoice at the end of the month, but some of them just really love paying me cash. Cash is great. And yes, all these earnings are gonna be going through my business, so they're all not profit. It is gonna be taxed as well. But yeah, we're crushing it right now. It's 12 o'clock. This property kind of slowed me down a little bit. We have a lot more to go. Let's see how much we finish up the day with, but hey, we're moving, so keep sticking along. So okay guys, that was number 5 for the day. Right now it is 12:53. I'm hungry, I'm a little tired, so it's time to go get some food. That lawn right there was another $40 lawn. Knocked it out in 20-30 minutes, and it looks like we got 5 more lawns to do, so I'm excited to see how much money we make today. I think we're at $280 right now. But we'll see. We'll add it up at the end. We're gonna keep rolling. I'm gonna go grab some lunch, and I'll see you guys at the next property. The next property is gonna be 2 lawns that are next to each other, so less driving time, more profit, and hopefully we get out there faster. So we're at property number 6 right here, and number 7 right next door. It is 1:18. I have good news for y'all. I stopped, I ate, I'm refueled, I'm recharged, ready to knock this out. It's Friday. I want to finish up early, but we're gonna knock these lawns out, and I'll show you guys. I don't know if I'll get more mowing footage in there, but I'll just show you kind of the end product as well, because I'm trying to spice it up, bring more value, as well as bring a little bit of entertainment in there. But yeah. So guys, here is property number 6 right here on the corner. This customer paid me 40 bucks to get this completed, and then number 7 right here on the water. So we're knocking them down. We're getting a little tired, but as you can see, the mower's still running. I used the Skag on these 2 properties. Weed whackers, blowers, a simple setup, and we're making money. So it was $40, and that one was $55. That's an extra $95 we just made, and it is $217. So we're heading over to property number 8. We're at 380 bucks, I believe, 85 bucks. Here we are, guys, with number 8 of the day. It is $250. This one is a $40 property, and nice stripes, and then grab that. That is for me. We earned it. I'm gonna show you a look of the backyard as well. Yeah, so property number 8. Not the beautiful property, but we got it done. So guys, we just got done finishing up this one right here. It is $45 for the service. I didn't want to get much footage. There was a customer there, a lot of people running around. I was like, hey, let's just knock this out. I'm getting a little tired, I'm getting a little winded, but right now we're at $460 for the day. We have 2 more lawns to knock out. It is 3:33 out right now, and I want to get home. I want to take a shower. We've had a lot of encounters with some dog messes, if you know what I'm saying, as well as we're just crushing it, making money mowing. But let's get these 2 properties done, and then I'll meet you guys at the house. I'll finish this video up, but we're gonna keep crushing it, guys. $460. What is it, like 6-7 hours of working so far? We're gonna keep rolling. So guys, we just finished up lawn number 9 or 10. I don't know what it is. I've lost track. I'm a little tired. It is 4:30 on the dot. We have 1 more lawn to finish up. The only problem is it is 30 minutes away. It's gonna be a long day from 9 to 5. The thing is, right now, we're over $510 made in 1 day mowing lawns, guys. If you're questioning if you can make money mowing lawns, well, I just wanna tell you guys, this is the exact example. I'm gonna go ahead and probably take a picture. The thumbnail is gonna get dark here. I don't know what time, but I definitely wanna finish this one up. I went from lunch, now it's dinner time. A long day, but guys, if you wanna hustle, make money, mowing lawns, this is exactly what you're gonna do. We're gonna end the day with around $560. The next lawn's a $50 lawn. That was a last minute lawn this morning that I accepted. I wish I didn't accept it, but if the camera dies, I just want to say thank you all for tuning in. If you have any questions on how you want to make money mowing lawns, this all started in the back of my truck with a push mower. Now we're scaling, now we're growing. And on Fridays and Thursdays, I'm basically just going out there hustling and still mowing lawns, running a landscaping. We have multiple businesses we're running, but this one here is my summer side hustle business, and I'm gonna continue to grow. But I'll help you guys. If you need anything, feel free to hit me up. Let's go finish the last lawn of the day. Get some water. We're out of water. I didn't pack enough for this, but we're crushing it, and it's been a long, hard-working day. So guys, that is a wrap. A little after 5:30, $560 made mowing lawns. That's how you do it. It's been a long video. I hope to get this all edited, but thank you guys so much for watching. We are finally home. It's been a great day, rewarding day. And that's how you do it. If you guys need any help, comments, questions, concerns, hit me up. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far, as well as go ahead and subscribe. A lot more content on this, as well as side hustles, finance, just growing and building wealth at a young age is what I'm passionate about. So go ahead and hit me up if you guys need anything. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, love you guys as always. Take care and peace out.